Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me today as we paint this month's You Be the Maker box kit. It's a cute flip-flop sign that says living life in flip-flops. Things first, besides the supplies that was provided to you in the kit, you are going to need a little bowl of water and some scissors. All right. We're going to apply a stain finish with some distressing to the backboard, and that's to make it look more beachy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set this aside and let it dry. And now let's talk about painting the other designs. So for this, I am going to do the base of my shoe yellow with turquoise polka dots, and then the little overlay of the flip-flops pink, my words white, and my letters the same pink as the flip-flop overlay. You can use whatever colors you like or have been provided to you in the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my makeup sponges and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces to work with. So I'm going to end up having, in this case, I'll go ahead and do 5 pieces. Since I'm really only working with 4 other colors. And then I'm going to take my respective colors and, as easy as this, get a little bit of paint on my sponge and just dab over the different designs. It might take a couple coats depending on how thick your paint covers, but that's what I'll do for all of these different pieces. Okay, for the actual flip-flops themselves, what you can go ahead and do is remove the inner layer. This will allow for easier painting. So I'll paint all of these pieces turquoise and this piece yellow. Okay, now while all of the smaller pieces are drying, we are going to add a little bit of distressing to the back of our board. You're just going to take your little chip paintbrush and get some white on the tip, and you're just going to gently go in the same direction as the lines are. And you're just going to hit different areas with different thicknesses, and that will just give you a nice weathered distressed look. Okay, so now that all of the pieces are dry, we are going to start gluing on the design. Okay, we're going to first start with the outline of the flip-flops. And the easiest way to do this is to apply a little glue to the back of the flip-flop, and then if you need, you can use your Q-tip to smear around the glue a little bit so you don't have a lot of seepage. But remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to super glue. Just a nice even rim, and then make sure you get the little design pieces. And then you're going to use your gluing guide to know where to place your flip-flop at. And you're just going to kind of look around the flip-flop and make sure the line is covered on all the edges. Okay, and at this point, if you wish to distress your flip-flops, you will just take your same white on top of your chip paint, and you can just lightly go over your flip-flops to give it a little bit of distressing. This is completely optional. Okay, and so now that that's taken care of, we're just going to glue the rest of the words down and use our little gluing guide to put the top pieces of the flip-flop and flower on. And there you have it, a cute little sign, perfect to display for summer. I don't know about you, but I know I personally own more pairs of flip-flops than I care to count. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this month's You Be the Maker box kit and our time crafting together, and I hope to see you next month. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this month's You Be the Maker box kit and crafting with me, and I hope to see you next month. Bye-bye.